We are starting with global economic prospect, and I want to ask IUC Johnwal, who releases this report?
So it's released by the World Bank.
Okay, and how often World Bank releases this report?
It's biannual, like twice in a year.
Okay, twice in a year, January and June. Okay, and there is nothing much about this report. So if you want to go through this report, then it's okay. Otherwise, it's not that much important. Yeah, and global economic outlook. Who releases that report?
IMF.
IMF.
IMF, sir.
Okay, IMF. So that's all. If anyone has anything to add in this report, then you can add. Otherwise, we'll talk about Lake Rakas. Okay, so my first question is that where is this Lake Rakas? Abhi Burma.
Sir, it's in Tibet, sir. Tibet portion of China, sir.
Okay. And any other famous lake or mountain range,
Sir,
mountain near to this
it is
lake?
fed by sir. It is fed by Kailash Glacier, and this lake has importance for the three religions, that is Hindu, Jainism, and Buddhism.
So I'm asking any other lake or any other mountain nearby this Lake Rakas?
The Mansarovar and Mount
Mansarovar.
Kailash.
Okay.
Yes, Mansarovar and Mount Kailash. Gargi, can you please tell me whether it's a freshwater lake or what kind of lake is this?
It's a freshwater lake.
You're saying it's a freshwater lake. How many people are agreeing with her?
No, sir,
It's a
salt.
saline
No,
lake.
sir, it's salt water.
Saline lake.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a
Saltwater
saline.
lake, sir.
Yes, and what about Lake Mansarovar?
It's a
That's a freshwater
freshwater
lake.
lake.
Fresh water, sir.
Yeah. Which river has the origin in this lake? And
Satluj.
Sat
Satluj.
Satluj.
Satluj River.
Satellite, sir.
okay, so that's all about this lake. It's a saline lake, and it is also known as Ravantal. And you can see the location. This is Lake Mansarovar, and this is Lake Rakas, and this is Kailash Parbat, Kailash mountain. Now you can see this Lipu Lake Pass. So where is this Lipu Lake Pass? Utsav Arora. Prerna Golcha.
Hello.
Yes, Prerna. Where is Lipu Lake Pass?
At the boundary with Uttarakhand, maybe.
Yes, yes. And what about Nathula? Where is Nathula? In
Uh,
Jasarma.
Sikkim. Sikkim.
Yeah, it is in Sikkim. So you can see these things. If somebody is asking, this is Lake Rakas in the west and Mansarovar in the east. Okay, I want to ask one question. Which are the best flowing river?
Narmada and Tapti.
Narmada, Tapti, Mahi,
Any other river?
Sabarmati.
Sabarmati,
Indus.
Purni.
Sabarmati.
Indus, Satluj,
Yes, Indus,
Indus,
Satluj.
Bias.
Okay. Anyone has anything to add in this lake?
Hello,
Yes, anyways.
sir. Ganga Chu connects both yes, Mansarovar and Rakas.
Okay, Gangachu. So if I say one state, I'm giving you one statement that earlier Lake Mansarovar and Lake Rakas used to be one lake, then this statement is correct or incorrect? Monica Dixit.
Correct.
Correct, sir.
Yes, it is correct. Now, so Morori. So I want to ask about this lake. So my first question is this, that if I say that it is wetland under the, it is Ramsar site, this statement is correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Manushree.
True.
Okay, it is correct.
Now it's correct.
And if I say it is the Ramsar, it is the site which is located at highest altitude, this statement is correct or incorrect?
So correct.
Okay. And what one more thing, that it is largest high altitude lake in the India, that is entirely in Indian territory, and this, it is the highest Ramsar site in the world. Okay, which lake is the largest freshwater lake in the world?
बाइकाल से.
Where is it?
Russia.
Russia.
Yeah, it is, yeah, it is in Russia. And which is the largest lake in the world?
So that's seas.
Caspian Sea, sir.
Yes, Caspian Sea is the largest. इससे पहले कैस्पियन से पहले कौन सा होता था, कौन सा सी?
That's
नहीं, रेड नहीं.
so dead sea.
डेड सी. पक्का?
Yes, I had read it.
ये डेड सी था? ये पक्का है कि कुछ और है?
सर डेड सी तो बहुत छोटा है सर, कैस्पियन से बड़ा कैसे हो सकता है?
कि अच्छा, कैस्पियन सी में कौन सी रिवर डिस्चार्ज होती है? कौन सी?
Olga.
वोल्गा रिवर, सर.
और कोई रिवर?
सर उराल.
Ural River.
हाँ, यूराल. तो इसके बारे में आपने देख ही लिया, सोम मोरोरी के बारे में. इट इज द लार्जेस्ट हाई एल्टीट्यूड लेक इन इंडिया, एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट इज द हाईएस्ट रामसर साइट इन द वर्ल्ड, and it's a wetland reserve under Ramsar site, and it is located in Ladakh. Let's see some other thing. अभी ये कौन सी लेक है यहाँ पे? दिस इज ऑल्सो लेक. कोई बता पाएगा? पेंगोंग सू यहाँ नहीं है, पेंगोंग सू तो कहीं और है।
Pangong Tso is very much bigger than Somoruri.
बहुत बड़ी है सोमोरोरी से वो।
Sir, you are not audible.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pangong
Sir, that is Kyagar Tso.
Ka. Yes. And arrange these three lakes from north to south, and it will be arranged by Abhi Burma.
Sir, highest will be Pangong at now. It will start from Pangong. Sir, then Wular, then Sokar.
कितने लोग एग्री कर रहे हैं इससे? Imja, do you agree?
So could you please repeat the question?
The question is that these are three rivers, three lakes, Pangong, Sokar and Bular Lake, and you have to arrange from north to south. So he said
So
Pangong, Bular.
So
Okay,
first
Bular.
will be Bular because it lies in the Kashmir Valley, then Sokar and then Pangong.
He said Sokar and then Pangong. Is it?
So I'm not sure about the Bular. No sir. Sokar, Pangong and then Bular.
You said Sokar,
Pangong, Bular.
Pangong, and then Bular. You said so from north to south. You are saying this, right?
Yes sir.
कोई और?
Sir, first Ular, then Pangong, then Soka.
हाँ यही है करेक्ट।
Sir, I agree.
ये बुलर तो काफी ऊपर है।
सर पैंगोंग थोड़ी सी ऊपर है शायद बुलर से, आई गेस, जहां तक मैंने पढ़ा था।
नहीं, लेक एक्चुअली बुलर ऊपर है, पेंगोंग थोड़ी सी नीचे है। ठीक है, जो क्या कहते हैं, जो बांदीपुर है कश्मीर में, वहां पर है लेक बुलर, वो काफी ऊपर है। पेंगोंग तो आपका काफी नीचे है। ठीक है, बाकी देखो आप ये रामसर साइड देख लो। ये आपका जो वो है ना जिसकी आप बात कर रहे थे, पेंगोंग जो है वो क्या कहते हैं, यहाँ कहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत इधर कहीं। ठीक है, तो वो इससे नीचे है, सबसे ऊपर। ये पुराना है मैप, इसमें कुछ एक अपडेट नहीं है, बट आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि ये बुलर लेक हो गया, ये सो मोरोरी हो गया। ठीक है, इसके बाद में ये चंद्राताल वेटलैंड हो गया, ये रेणुका वेटलैंड हो गया आपका, ये पोंग डैम वेट हो गया, इसके बाद ये हरीके हो गया इधर, तो ये रोपड़ हो गया। रोपड़ कहाँ है?
पंजाब।
रोपर पंजाब में। हरीके के बारे में कुछ बताओगे आप? हरीके वेटलैंड है, उसकी कुछ क्या स्पेशलिटी है?
Rike Barrage. Yes.
So it's the meeting point of Bias and Satluj River.
Sir, my
Yes,
great
yes,
fishes.
exactly.
So also dolphins are found.
Now we'll talk about Pangong Tso. So it is the world highest saltwater lake, first thing. And second thing, if I say that majority of area of Pangong Lake is located in India, this statement is correct or incorrect? Dattatreya. Kirti Reddy. Did you hear question what I said? Mahalakshmi.
Yes, sir.
So my question is that there is a statement and it is that Pangong, the largest in, just a second, what did I say? So
Majority of
What was
lands.
So
what
that
question I
majority
asked?
of the region is lie in the Indian
Yeah,
or
so
in the
so my
suburb?
question was that the majority of the area of Pangong Lake is located in India. This statement is correct or incorrect?
It's incorrect, sir.
Okay, why it is incorrect? Can
I
you
have
please?
read, but recollect.
Sir.
Okay.
So because India controls 45 kilometer of the lake, and the length of the lake is 135 kilometer. So most of the region lies with the China.
Yes, China has around two-third area in its control, and India has one-third area. So एक चीज आप याद रख लेना क्योंकि ये लेक बहुत डिस्प्यूट में भी थी, इसलिए। एंड सेकंड फैक्ट इज दैट, और ये कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? जम्मू कश्मीर में है या लेह लद्दाख में? लेह में, लद्दाख
Leh
रीजन में।
district of Ladakh.
Ladakh.
Leh, sir. Leh.
Okay. So remember these two facts, that it is the world highest saltwater lake. Second thing, that one-third of the Pangong Lake lies in India and the part, other two-third in China. And it has the word Pangong Tso has its origin in this. I mean, this lake has its origin in the Tibetan word that is Pangong Tso, and that means high grassland lake. And one more thing, that it is known to change its color, blue, green, red. So what is the reason to change to change this color? What is the reason?
Cyanobacteria presence in the water.
Hello, sir. You are mute.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does this mean?
Sir, lake which is closed from all sides.
There is no
So when
evident
there is
outlet.
no outflow from the basin.
Yes, exactly.
Maybe salinity.
It's not, it's about that there is no outflow from the river.
There is no further what you can say that drainage it allows.
and it's a saline lake, so remember this thing. And otherwise we know that yeah, it is also one wetland under I mean, it's not wetland, but it is a proposed Ramsar site. So it may be ratified very soon. Okay, so remember this thing. And when it becomes Ramsar site, so it's going to be first transboundary wetland in South Asia under the convention. And now you can see this location. This is Pangong, and this is Galwan Valley. तो अभी आपसे पूछ लिया जाए इनकी लोकेशन तो याद रखना, अभी यहाँ कहीं नुब्रा वैली है और ये आपका एरिया हो गया सियाचिन ग्लेशियर का। ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ आप देख लेना, ये इसी साल पूछा गया था। दिस ईयर दे ओनली आस्क्ड अबाउट सियाचिन ग्लेशियर। सो दिस इज हॉट स्प्रिंग, दिस इज गलवान वैली एंड दिस इज पेंगोंग सो लेक। ठीक है, बाकी किसी को कुछ ऐड करना है इसमें? जो मैं लेक की बात कर रहा था दैट इज सो कियागर लेक। तो ये आप देख सकते हो 4 लेक हैं, एक सोकार, सेकंड इज सो कियागर एंड थर्ड वन इज सो मोरोरी एंड दिस इज पेंगोंग सो। ठीक है, बुलर लेक। So Buller Lake is the second largest freshwater lake of Asia. And which one is the largest one in Asia? Freshwater lake. Yes, Prerna.
Lake Baikal, which is in Russia.
Okay. And yes. And its main source is river Jhelum, and it is located in Bandipora near Baramulla. And what else? This, yes, so there is a small island that is called Jena Lang, and that was constructed King Jainul Abidin. इसके अलावा किसी को कुछ ऐड करना हो बुलर लेक में? हाँ, इसके बाद ये तुलबुल प्रोजेक्ट है, इसकी वजह से actually it was being constructed at the mouth of Buller Lake. However, Pakistan objected, and since then this project could not take place further. And then Pakistan said that India has violated the 1960 Indus Water Treaty. इसके अलावा ऐसा एक चीज और इसमें है कि ये जो है रामसर साइट है, याद रखना। तो अभी हमने कौन कौन सी रामसर साइट पढ़ी है? 2 रामसर साइट जो लेक ही पढ़ी है, बाकी आई एम नॉट आस्किंग, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग अबाउट दोज 2 लेक्स विच बी रेड अबाउट। सो कैन यू प्लीज नेम दोज 2 लेक्स विच आर रामसर साइट ऑल्सो?
So Murari and Buller Lake.
Okay, and there is a lake which is proposed to be Ramsar site. Which lake is that?
Pangong
So.
Yes, Pangong Tso. बुलर लेक की लोकेशन ये है, आप लोग एक बार देख लेना। ठीक है, दिस इज बुलर लेक यहाँ पे, एंड अदर रिवर्स ऑल्सो यू कैन सी। अगर आपको देखना हो टॉप से तो इंडस, देन झेलम, देन चेनाब, रावी, सतलुज। ओके, एंड दिस इज here this is Mansarovar Lake. Mansarovar Lake is the source of Indus River. Okay, and this is Gulf of Kutch. Where is Gulf of Khambat? This is Gulf of
near
Khambat.
Surat.
Yes, this is Konkan coast, this is Malabar coast, this is Pak Strait, this is Gulf of Mannar, this is Kaveri River, this is Krishna River, this is Godavari, and this is Coromandel coast, this is Chilka Lake, this is Mahanadi. So you can see most of the major river of India in this. This is Sambar Lake. Now we'll talk about National Park of Uttar Pradesh. How many national park are there in Uttar Pradesh? Isan.
Sir, I'm not sure about the count.
Guneep.
So 5.
My
One
Neha
sir.
Sahu. Neha Sahu, how many national park are there in? Yes,
Sir,
Neha.
one Dudhwa National Park.
Okay.
Sir, it's 15, sir.
Mahalakshmi, you are saying 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask some other people also. Gargi Gupta.
So it's one Dudhwa National Park.
Gargi is saying 1. And Monica Dixit.
Sir, one Dudhwa National Park.
Okay. Ayushi Jonbal.
It's one Dudhwa National Park. However, when we Google it for the homework, it says 15 national parks. So I think it also includes the wildlife sanctuaries and everything. But I could find only one.
Yes, there
Yes,
is
sir,
only one
15 are
national park.
wildlife sanctuary.
There is only one national park
National
in
park.
उत्तर प्रदेश, that is दुधवा नेशनल पार्क. ठीक है, तो ये 15 वाला जो सिस्टम है उसमें वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी पता नहीं क्या क्या ऐड कर दिया है, दैट आई डोंट नो, बट देयर इज ओनली वन नेशनल पार्क, दैट इज दुधवा नेशनल पार्क. एंड वेयर इज इट लोकेटेड?
Sir, Terai.
Near the Nepal
Terai.
boundary.
So Nepal
Tarai
border.
region.
In the Nepal.
Indo-Tibetan
Tarai
border.
Okay, is it tiger reserve or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a
That's
tiger
tiger
reserve.
reserve.
Is it under project tiger?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can we find a rhino in this national park?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So my
Yes, sir.
let me give you one statement. The statement is that rhinoceros find naturally in this national park. When I'm saying in this national park, it means Dudhwa National Park. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect, sir.
Incorrect,
Incorrect,
sir.
sir.
Why it is incorrect?
Because in 1984,
These are migrated from
uh,
Assam.
they are
Because
migrated
they were,
from
Pavitora Sanctuary.
Pabitora Sanctuary.
and
Exactly.
also they were introduced.
Yes. So it's a tiger reserve also. So if I say that Tiger Reserve has the largest area, Dudhwa National Park is the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, or if I say that Dudhwa Tiger, first statement is that Dudhwa National Park is the part of Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. Second statement is that Dudhwa Tiger Reserve is the part of Dudhwa National Park. Which statement is correct?
First statement.
First.
You're saying Dudhwa National Park is a part of Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this statement is correct. ये सब तो हमने डिस्कस ही कर लिया है. लखीमपुर खेरी जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है नॉर्दर्न उत्तर प्रदेश, यहाँ पर ये लोकेटेड है. एंड इसके बाद में दुधवा जो नेशनल पार्क है, थ्रू विच सोहेली एंड मोहना स्ट्रीम फ्लोज. अच्छा, आपसे मैं एक क्वेश्चन ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि सोहेली एंड मोहना ट्रिब्यूटरी है किस रिवर की?
Gagar, sir.
So these are the tributary, and apart from those two rivers, Sada river also is there, Gerua river also is there. So all of these rivers are tributary of the Gaggar river, and it is located on the Indo-Nepal National Park in 1958. It was a wildlife sanctuary, and its purpose was, for the conservation of swamp deer. However, later on it was changed to national park, and in 1984 from Povitoran wildlife sanctuary that is located in Assam, and they have reintroduced Indian rhino. So, what is the status of Indian rhino?
Sir, it's vulnerable.
Vulnerable.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
It has humid subtropical climate and with dry winter, and we can find sal, asna, sesam, jamun, gular, bahira, all these kind of trees in this national park. And rhino was reintroduced in 1984, which we have already read. And what is the status of som deer?
Vulnerable.
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 And what about hog deer?
Endangered.
Endangered.
Hog deer is endangered. And what about barasingha?
Vulnerable. Same as
Vulnerable.
swamp deer. It is swamp deer.
The swamp deer.
Yeah.
It's swamp deer. And what about fishing cat?
Vulnerable.
Vulnerable.
And what about leopard cat?
Vulnerable.
There is a national park in which we can find 7 species of cat. Which national park is that?
Sir, I think that was not 7, that was 5 species of cat.
क्या था?
सर वो शायद 5 species of cat था जो आप बोल रहे हैं नामदफा में.
नामदफा सर.
5 था?
हाँ सर वो बड़े species of cat.
उसमें ये सब भी फिशिंग कैट एंड ऑल ये सब भी थी.
हाँ सर
वो
सर but
दूसरे
that is famous for big 5, like big 5 cats.
बाकी इसमें कुछ तो ऐड करने के लिए किसी के पास हो तो आप बताओ. हाँ, उसका आंसर नामदफा ही है. उसमें जो बिग कैट के लिए बिग कैट जो होती हैं वो सब नामदफा इज फेमस फॉर. और टोटल कैट की स्पीसीज कितनी है, किसी को है पता?
सर वो बहुत हैं जो कि लेपर्ड ही हर जगह इतने वेरी कर जाते हैं.
38 है. नाउ वील टॉक अबाउट बिमस्टेक. तो कोई मुझे बताएगा बिमस्टेक के बारे में? हु इज गोइंग टू टेल मी अबाउट बिमस्टेक?
So BIMSTEC was initiated by Bangkok Declaration in 1997. Initially, it was only 4 countries: Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. And later on, Nepal joined. Sorry, Myanmar joined, and recently Nepal and Bhutan also joined, making it as a 7-state.
Okay, how many Asian countries are there? Let me ask this to who is going to answer it. Nisitha Dasani. Nisitha, how many Asian countries are in this initiative that is BIMSTEC in this organization?
Sir, I don't have an idea.
Okay. Subhangi Kaval, Dharani,
The 7.
you're saying 7 Asian countries, right?
Yes.
Yes, all the 7 countries are Asian. And what about South Asian countries? How many South Asian countries are there?
5.
5.
And can you please name them?
Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka.
Bangladesh, India, Nepal.
Bhutan.
Yeah, Bhutan is
Bhutan,
there. This is Bangladesh,
Sri
this is India,
Lanka
this is
also.
Bhutan, this is Sri Lanka, this is Nepal, and this is Myanmar and Thailand. So these are the 7 countries are there in this initiative, and it came into existence through Bangkok Declaration. Where is the secretariat of this institute, this organization?
Dhaka, Bangladesh.
Yeah, it is located in Dhaka. इसके अलावा तो ऐसा कुछ सच है नहीं इसमें। अगर किसी के पास कुछ हो तो आप लोग ऐड कर सकते हो। हाँ, एक चीज है कि जो फर्स्ट एवर बिम्स्टेक कॉन्क्लेव ऑफ पोर्ट समिट दैट वाज हेल्ड इन विशाखापट्टनम इन 2019, so this thing you can see. Apart from that there is nothing much. किसी के पास
Sir,
कुछ है?
repeat it. Sir, please
And
repeat.
recently virtual summits.
Yes, so I am saying that BIMSTEC Conclave of Port Summit was held in Visakhapatnam, and it was the first ever such kind of conclave.
Sir,
It was held in 2019. हाँ, कौन बताओ?
सर इनके फोर्थ समिट में सारे मेंबर्स ने काठमांडू डिक्लेरेशन साइन किया था। और काठमांडू डिक्लेरेशन टेररिज्म के अगेंस्ट, मतलब इंटरनेशनल पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी मेंटेन करने की।
ठीक है, 2021 में समिट ऑफ बिम्स्टेक श्रीलंका में हुई, और इसका जो प्रेसिडेंटशिप या चेयरपर्सन हम बोले वो किसके पास है?
श्रीलंका।
हाँ, अभी श्रीलंका के पास है। नाउ वील टॉक अबाउट CTBT. CTBT, Convention Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. So my first question is that whether India is signatory of it or not, and anyways, please answer it.
No, sir.
Okay, Asutosh, did USA ratified this treaty or not? Asutosh, can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Asutosh.
Sir, yes, it has ratified by USA.
You're saying yes.
Yes, sir.
Satish, what do you say?
They've signed but not ratified.
Yes, they have signed but not ratified. What about China?
So signed but not ratified.
Yes, China also signed. So what does this treaty talk about? What does it say?
Ban on nuclear operations.
Banning of all nuclear tests everywhere and by everyone who has signed and ratified the treaty.
Okay, so my question is that it is only restricted to military, or it is for civil also, civil use also?
Both civilian and military.
So both.
Yes, it's for both. And there is an organization that is called the treaty CTBTO. CTBTO, and it is located in Vienna. And what does it do? It ensures the implementation of its provision, including those provisions for international verification. So, a treaty, this treaty could not come into force. So, what is other provision? I mean, regarding its implementation and all. What does this treaty
So,
say?
provision is that until and unless all the countries have ratified it, it will not come into force. That's why only 168 countries have ratified it, while 184 has signed. That's why it doesn't come into force till
So
now.
it says all countries, or it says that there are something called Annex 2 countries. There are 44 countries in Annex
So
2.
annexed 2 countries, because 44 countries has nuclear test capability and only 36 have ratified it till now.
Yes. इसके बाद ये भी बोला था कि जो जिन कंट्रीज ने साइन कर दिया है वो कंट्रीज फिर से मीटिंग करेंगे और ट्राई करेंगे परस्यू करने का कि इसको जो है रेटिफाई करवाया जाए। ठीक है, तो याद रखना, इंडिया डिड नॉट साइन दिस ट्रीटी, इंडिया डिड नॉट एंड यूएसए चाइना डिड नॉट रेटिफाई दिस कंट्री। ये चीज आप लोग याद कर लेना, थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बस इससे ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं इसमें।
सर इंडिया ने साइन भी नहीं किया, रेटिफाई भी नहीं किया।
रेटिफाई तो तभी करेगी ना जब साइन करेगी, साइन ही नहीं किया तो रेटिफिकेशन का तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता है।
यस सर, बट वही सर कभी कभी होता है ना सर।
बाकी आप लोग देख लो,
सर
चाइना हो गया, इजिप्ट हो गया, ईरान हो गया, इजराइल हो गया, और इंडिया हो गया, एक पाकिस्तान हो गया, और एक ये आपका कोरिया हो गया, डेमोक्रेटिक पीपल ऑफ रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोरिया, DPR की, जो कि नॉर्थ कोरिया है, उसने भी साइन नहीं किया है इसको।
सर इंडिया, नॉर्थ कोरिया एंड पाकिस्तान डिड नॉट साइन।
3 कंट्रीज हैं जिन्होंने साइन नहीं किया है, नॉर्थ कोरिया, इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान। इसके अलावा जो है चाइना, इजिप्ट, ईरान, इजराइल एंड द यूनाइटेड स्टेट, इन्होंने रेटिफाई नहीं किया है। ठीक है।
यस सर।
ना, अब कोई मुझे पूर्व मीमांसा के बारे में बताओ, आप लोगों ने बहुत हिस्ट्री पढ़ी है।
सर मीमांसा तो एक स्कूल है ऑफ फिलोसफी, पूर्व मीमांसा भी उसी से रिलेटेड ही है शायद।
एंड व्हाट इज दिस पूरम?
सर अगम और पूरम तमिल वो पोएम्स होते हैं, तो अगम लव
The
पोएम्स
Sangam
होते हैं,
poems.
पूरम वो होते हैं।
So you will knew.
What is this prasasti?
So something written in very high words, or something written in very opulence, अपनी तारीफ पे लिखवाना.
It's basically an inscription written in admiration of someone, like the Allahabad Prashasti.
Prayag Prasasti. And what about this Periya Puranam? Periya Puranam.
It's the devotional work of the Nayanmar saints.
Okay. And what about this Pramanas? Grounds of knowledge. So we are done for the day. Now I'm going to ask you some questions which you need to answer. Okay? And I'll ask one by one. So my question is that where is this Harike wetland is located? Imja.
So Punjab.
I don't know.
हरिकी तो पंजाब में ही है।
अब पता लग गया।
अब कोई मुझे बताएगा कि सुबानसिरी जो रिवर है वो कितने स्टेट से गुजरती है? नेहा यादव।
I guess one only. Assam.
सुबानसिरी तो अरुणाचल में भी है।
क्या?
दो है स्टेट, असम और अरुणाचल प्रदेश, ठीक है। एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस दिहांग रिवर? मोनिका।
सर अरुणाचल।
पक्का? और कुछ नहीं है?
नो सर।
Sir, Assam, I think. Arunachal and Assam border, Bihar.
अरुणाचल में ही है, फिर असम आके ब्रह्मपुत्र बन जाती है सर।
बस
No, sir, in
इसके बाद
Arunachal, there is a Bihang river. I think I've read that.
एंड लोहित रिवर जो है एक किस रिवर की ट्रिब्यूटरी है?
ब्रह्मपुत्र।
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 अच्छा, अब आप मुझे बताओ कि तीस्ता रिवर जो है वो कहाँ से इसका ओरिजिन होता है?
सर जम्मू ग्लेशियर।
स्टेट का नेम कुछ है?
सिक्किम।
सिक्किम।
पक्का?
यस सर, सिक्किम नेपाल बॉर्डर।
बेतवा रिवर कहाँ से, बेतवा रिवर का ओरिजिन कहाँ है?
छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू।
पक्का?
होशंगाबाद
यस सर।
मध्य प्रदेश। बेतवा रिवर।
हाँ। एंड लेक सांबर कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है?
राजस्थान।
राजस्थान।
हीराकुंड रिजर्वॉयर है वो कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है?
उड़ीसा।
उड़ीसा।
अच्छा, और ये चिलिका लेक जो है वो कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है?
उड़ीसा।
उड़ीसा।
उड़ीसा सर।
उड़ीसा।
ब्रैकिश वाटर लेक है सर, और वेटलैंड भी है।
महानदी उड़ीसा से फ्लो होती है कि नहीं होती है? उड़ीसा में फ्लो होती है कि नहीं?
यस
होती है
सर।
सर।
यस सर, उड़ीसा एंड छत्तीसगढ़।
अच्छा, और कृष्णा रिवर का कहाँ से निकलती है? ओरिजिन कहाँ है कृष्णा रिवर का? महाबलेश्वर। और ये कहाँ तक जाती है? ये अरब सागर में जाती है या डज इट गो इन अरेबियन सी और बे ऑफ
बंगाल?
बे ऑफ बंगाल।
ठीक है। एंड there is a river called Tungabhadra river, and I am giving you one statement that Tungabhadra river is the tributary of Krishna river. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect. Correct sir.
Incorrect, sir. Incorrect.
It's correct.
करेक्ट सर।
It's correct.
करेक्ट है। एंड नागार्जुन सागर जो है वो किस रिवर पे बना हुआ है?
कृष्णा।
कृष्णा रिवर।
कृष्णा रिवर।
अच्छा, लेक पुलिकट कहाँ पर है?
आंध्र प्रदेश।
आंध्र प्रदेश।
तमिलनाडु border.
तमिलनाडु बॉर्डर।
हाँ, आंध्र प्रदेश और तमिलनाडु याद रखना है इसके बारे में। तुंगभद्रा रिजर्वॉयर कहाँ पर है?
State.
In which state Tungabhadra reservoir located?
Karnataka.
Yes, it's Karnataka. जो लेक पेरियार है वो कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है?
केरला।
केरला।
Yeah, it is in Kerala. And There is a reservoir called Stanley Reservoir. Where is it?
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, it is in Tamil Nadu. You remember everything, Satish? There is a river called Ben Ganga River. WWAINGANGA. So this is a tributary of one of the major river of India. Which
Godavari.
river is this?
Godavari.
Godavari.
Okay. Okay, so there's a statement that Damodar River does not flow in West Bengal. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Correct. Incorrect, sir.
कितने लोग इनकरेक्ट बोल रहे हैं? दामोदर वेस्ट बंगाल में नहीं होती है?
Sir, you said that does not flow through.
You said it doesn't.
ठीक है, अभी और क्या पूछा जाए आप लोगों से? So there is a reservoir called Krishna Raj Sagara Reservoir. Where is it located?
Karnataka.
अरे आप लोगों को तो सब याद है एकदम. Where is Lake Koleru Lake?
Andhra
Pradesh.
What kind of lake is this?
Freshwater lake.
Freshwater or salt water?
Freshwater.
Freshwater lake, sir. You asked in the test series, sir.
Yeah, and where is this Nizam Sagar located?
Hyderabad.
तेलंगाना
तेलंगाना में है, हैदराबाद में नहीं है, थोड़ा दूर है. निजामाबाद ज्यादा पास है.
Okay, sir.
Where is Desert National Park located?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
There is a
सर एक आता है
reservoir.
मेरे को.
भवानी सागर रिजर्वोयर कहाँ पर है?
In Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu, sir.
Yes, it is in Tamil Nadu. और ये जो so if I say that Satpura range located in the eastern part of India, this statement is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect, sir.
Incorrect, sir.
Incorrect, sir.
Incorrect, sir.
In Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, now I am giving you another statement that Mackal range is located west to Chota Nagpur plateau. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Sir, pardon?
Sir, correct.
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Yeah,
Correct,
the question
sir.
was that Mackal range is located west to Chota Nagpur plateau.
Correct,
Okay,
sir.
arrange all
Correct,
these
sir.
three Garo Hills, Khasi Hills, and Jaintia Hills from east to west.
Okay.
Jayantia Khasi Garo.
Yes, Jaintia, Khasi, Garo. And arrange these three Patkai Boom, Naga Hills, and Mizo Hills from north to south.
Patkai,
Patkai,
Naga,
Naga, and
Mizo.
Mizo.
Patkai Naga.
ठीक है. Arrange these three from north to south. Mahendgiri, Doda Beta, and Anaimudi.
Anemudi. Anemudi will be the last.
Mahendragiri first. Mahendragiri.
Mahendagiri, Doda Beta.
Mahendragiri, Doda Beta, and Anand.
Mandragiri, Dodabetta,
As you
Namute.
said.
Okay. Arrange these three rivers from north to south. Ghaggar, Narmada, and Mahanadi.
Ghaggar, Narmada, and Mahanadi.
Yes. Betwa River is the tributary of Yamuna. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Son is
Correct,
the left bank tributary of Ganga. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Correct, sir.
sir.
Right bank tributary.
Okay. Kosi is the left bank. Kosi is the left bank tributary of River Gange. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Correct.
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 Correct, sir.
Okay. Kosi meets Ganga near Rajmahal Hills. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Correct, sir.
Correct.
Okay. Sardar River is tributary of Gandak. This statement is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Correct. Should be Gagra.
It's Ghagra. Okay, arrange these 4 hills: Nanda Devi, Dhaulagiri, Mount Everest, and Kanchenjunga from west to east. I am repeating once again.
Okay.
Nanda Devi, Dhaulagiri, Mount Everest, and Kanchenjunga.
So Dhola, Nanda, then Mount Everest.